Hello, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a tutorial on Illustrator on how to do this wave effect. Alright, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is take the text tool and get down whatever text you want. The font I'm using is Industry Ink with the base weight. So what you're going to want to do next is take the selecting tool and on Mac, Option, click, and drag so you can duplicate that. Make sure you change the bottom text to line only and no fill. So the next thing you do is you select the lines, go into Effect, go to Distort and Transform, and then click Transform. And from here you can click Preview in the bottom left, fill up the copies, I did 6, and then raise the vertical move to as much as you want. I raised it a little bit more because they were a bit too close for my comfort, and I thought 110 was a good area. So now with that done, you can select the bottom text and go to Object and Envelope Distort, and then once you click that you do Make with Mesh, and when you do this you can change the rows and columns of mesh lines you would want on the object you select. I'm actually going to change the numbers here from 2 to 3 so we can get a nice looking wave across the object. So what you want to do is you want to shift click and drag on the certain points here in the columns and rows, and just put them in a position that you find comfortable with. This part, it's all about messing around and what you think looks good. And you can fix and fiddle around with the anchor points, sort of mess around, see how they are. I don't really like messing around with the middle ones because they do a lot of janky, hard edge corner type things. You want really smooth, nice looking waves. So with these ones and the side ones I repositioned higher and lower, and then I adjusted the anchor points, as you can see on the screen here, to make the slope more aligned and straight rather than curved at the top when it didn't need to. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good in the state now, and I'm just going to add a few more fancy things, and then I'll show you at the end. Alright, so there you have it. That's how you do the text wave effect in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned a few things here that you can use in your own designs. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so you can keep updated with tutorials and cool speed designs. I'll see you guys later with another video coming out sometime whenever I feel like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.